Hello everybody, this is Russ from Bednar's, and I wanted to go over one of the unique services we offer here. It is called a garden coach appointment. So what you do is you go online, you fill out a form, and you will be purchasing a $100 gift card that you in turn get 60 minutes of a staff member's time. When you come in, you actually can bring your photos, bring measurements, and what your sunlight expectations are for that particular bed. And we can sit down, go over exactly what your needs are. So we can kind of tailor this 60 minutes to entirely what you need. After we sit down and talk about your goals and your plans, we can actually walk through the garden center and pick out certain plants or products that you would need to accomplish what your project needs. And remember, we'll be in contact with you prior to your initial visit to prompt you for any questions about your project. So whenever you come in, we have as much information as we need so you can be successful at home. If you're looking for more information or you want to schedule an appointment, please visit our website. And we look forward to hearing from you soon.